Design systems are one of the most undervalued investments in digital commerce. When done right, they're not just a style guide, they're a force multiplier. Developers move faster because every component already exists. Updates apply globally. The brand stays consistent across every touchpoint, every page, every campaign. That's why I decided to design the Commerce Ace design system in Figma first, before developing a web-based component library that allowed me to rebrand my entire Shopify custom theme in a matter of days. Let me show you. Here is the Figma design system. Buttons in every state, typography scale, color tokens, spacing system, shadows, the whole nine. Everything you see on the site traces back to a decision made here first. I also set up Token Studio and connected it to GitHub, so the design tokens could theoretically flow directly from Figma into code. After building the Figma system, I wanted to take it a step further. I wanted something I could actually interact with, click through, reference, share with developers. So I built an interactive web component design system as a standalone site. Let me walk you through it. Here is the Commerce Ace token-driven design system. We have the visual foundations. These are the atomic tokens: color, typography, spacing, border radius, shadows, brand assets. Every single component in the system is built from these primitives. Components, here's where it gets interesting. Buttons, badges, cards, forms, navigation patterns, all assembled from the foundations. Every component is documented with its variants and usage guidelines. Pages, and this is where the design system comes alive. I used it to design full pages, the home page, service pages, blog, all of them. Every section, every component, sourced from the same system, consistent, intentional, on brand. Now here's the part I'm most proud of. Everything you just saw, I implemented it live on the actual Commerce Ace site. Let's start with the home page. I kept the hero intentionally clean. The focus is the brand. You'll notice I kept my original slide-out navigation rather than a standard nav bar. That was a deliberate UX decision. I wanted users to have an interactive moment with the brand before jumping into content. And to make sure discoverability wasn't sacrificed, I added a persistent bottom navigation that appears as soon as you scroll. The hero itself has a subtle slider, multiple screenshots cycling within a single contained frame. Clean, not distracting. Scrolling down, the project cards. This is where the design system really shows up. The card structure, the typography hierarchy, the color usage, all pulled directly from the system. And I added something special here. When you open a project card, instead of a static modal, you get a full lightbox with an embedded video player. The user never leaves the page. That's a UX win. And as we click through the site, service pages, blog, portfolio, every section follows the same system. Same tokens, same components, different content. That's the power of a real design system. Here on the left, you can see the entire thing is mobile first optimized. Navigation adapts. Cards stack. Typography scales. Every interaction was designed for the smallest screen first, then expanded up. That's not an afterthought, that's a UX discipline. This design system is the foundation of everything Commerce Ace builds. And in next week's video, I'll be diving deeper into exactly how that works. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss that one.